All right, hey guys, here's example number 3. So we're going to read the question. A survey found that 12 out of every 15 people in the United States prefer eating at a restaurant over cooking at home. If 400 people selected eating at a restaurant, how many people took the survey? So again, this is going to be another one of those part to total ratio problems. So what do we know? We know that 12 out of every 15 people prefer eating at a restaurant over cooking at home. So 12 out of 15. And then the question continues with, if 400 people selected eating at a restaurant on the survey, how many people took the survey? Well, I know that the part is the people who like going to restaurants, and the total is the total number of people who took the survey. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that 400 up at the top, and I am searching for the total number of people who took the survey. So here is a situation. You can hear my Google Classroom going off. All right. So if I know that 12 out of the 15 people preferred eating at a restaurant, and what I'm looking to do is find a way to turn that 12 into a 400. I don't have a good way off the top of my head to turn a 12 into a 400, but when I start looking at that 12 and 15, it becomes really clear to me that I can take 12/15 and I can simplify that. I can divide both of those by 4. No, I could divide both of them by 3. And if I do that, 12 divided by 3 is 4, 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then what I'm really looking to do is saying, well, if 4 out of every 5 people prefer eating at a restaurant, and I know that 400 people chose to eat at a restaurant, now all of a sudden, this path of taking 4 times 100 and doing 5 times 100, then now I know that the total survey, so I know that they surveyed a total of 500 people. So here's an example of sometimes you can take that initial ratio that they're giving you and you can simplify that ratio. And when you simplify that ratio, then the path becomes a lot clearer. I'm not saying that there isn't a way to turn a 12 into a 400. I just didn't know one off the top of my head. So you could use that relationship between 12 and 400. You could guess and test on your calculator, or you could do 400 divided by 12. Ooh, I get 33.333333. So just not a super friendly number. So I guess the lesson here is if you can simplify, then do it. All right, I hope this helps. Example number 3, simplifying sometimes helps.